Alright, so here we are. Welcome back again, people. Yo, the story here with the soldier youth. For those of you who've been on SouFLoTV for a while, you should know that I am closely connected to anybody that has military or law enforcement background. For the simple fact that I know personally what it feels like. I know personally what it feels like to be on the battlefield, on a deployment. I was sent on, my last deployment was 18 months. We were in Iraq for 12 months, and then when we got ready to pack our bags to leave to be relieved by another company, we were told that we were extended. So we had to go 18 months. Now, if you can imagine being away for 18 months from home, and you have a wife at home, right? 18 months she's supposed to wait for you. Only a virtuous woman can do that. You understand what I'm saying to you? So, I don't know what kind of pressures roll up on this a soldier youth, but boy, it's rough out there. But what I want people to, this particular video is about me talking to the men especially. I'm going to talk to the women too, but let me talk to the men especially. Alright? When she run you like dog, you see, brother, at least take a listen to this, first of all, before we go any further. Listen, this is her moments before she was murdered. This is how she was handling this brother. Listen.
The blood clot never them to me in a handling. Him? Huh? Huh? Where you come up here from? You're talking about love. Can love go anywhere?
Can love go anywhere?
Am I showing you love, sir? No. So where you run me down for? Me now cook you, me now wash you, me now give pussy, me now give no. What is it there that you want? Eh? What is the way you want? Huh? Okay. What? They say? You know? The man who said he still make the pussy because they don't know the shame.
Wow.
You don't know the shame.
Wow.
Tell the pipe down, say me don't want him. Tell us me have one other man. He still a ring me down.
Listen. Listen. She said, right? She never knows that idiot still make. The way how she's talking to this brother, I see, is like, you know, when time you have one dog around the house where it's snail and the mouth always nasty. That's not like a dirty dog where always come around your property and you run the dog. I go to your dog too, but the dog walkless. You understand? And she run the dog. That's how she talk to him. Me tell her me why you? Me tell her me not tell her the And the poor man did there talk about Monique. Me not argue or nothing, you know. Me not argue or anything. Me just there to talk to you. Me tell her me love you. The man say me love you. You hear what she say? What love can do? Love can go anywhere. Love can go anywhere. Usually when a woman say love can go anywhere, she will tell you stuff like, love can't pay my bills, you know, brother. Love can't give me the proper sex when me want, you know. Feel love is not enough, you know. And that, you know. So, and in the same breath, she said, me nah cook for you, me nah clean for you, me nah wash clothes for you, and me nah give you no pussy. So wait, what is it you want from me? What you want? Me not tell her, say, me have all man already. Me have a next man already. The man say, Monique, how you fit do that? Remember, you know, they live together, you know. So people don't bother act like, say, them no, there is a woman in my rundown. This is a woman that he share his home and his bed with. Okay, day in, day out. She just decides, say, so she, I got in it. Alright? Now, I'm not justifying a damn thing that he did. He's still wrong. But what I try to say is this. For the brother them, don't stick around to be treated like a dog or to be treated worse than dog. Don't stick around to be abused. A lot of society has geared us in a way where everybody wants to be like, oh my gosh, she's a woman and you shouldn't treat a woman like that, and listen to how him talk to her, and him probably did that cheat on her too. It's like they pile up all the guilt on the man alone. In this situation, I don't like the outcome, and it seems to be a trending behavior amongst our brothers in Jamaica where the woman want left and you kill the woman. That me not like at all. Left her make she go on. Better they are road for you. Sometimes I thank you God. She moved that out of my way. So something better can happen. You know what I'm saying? But the brother looked like he was stuck on her. And I hear a lot of people talking about, but look how the girl looked to know, like some young baby ape or young baby gorilla. You should have said, thank God the girl they gone. This is not me saying that. This is comments that I'm reading on social media. You should have said, thank God the girl they gone, because a whole heap of girl out there will look way better than she. But you got to understand that you don't know how the man and the woman vibe. They had a strong relationship at one point. You know what I'm saying? He's just having a problem letting go. But I'm telling my brother them that the signs are there for you too. When I do videos and I tell the women that the signs are there, I expect the women to listen and say, you know what? Me I listen to SouFLo the other day now. Me hear him say the signs are there. And watch this idiot I can raise in hand and nearly box me and I got me cut, gone, you know. And don't look back. Especially when him start talk about one day I'm gonna kill you. Don't look back. Same thing for the men. The signs are there. You know say you is a man where can't take bun. You is a man where can't take certain things. If certain things happen, you have been out of your way to tell her this already. Right? If you are with a woman where you have to constantly be on your P's and Q's looking out. I wonder if she there with the next man. I wonder if she a cheat on me. Where she gone? How come she not call? Who you gone out with? When you come back? If you have to be constantly paranoid, just left a woman there alone. You hear? Worse if you have a woman that talk to you like this, leave her alone. This a man, yeah, come on. You're a soldier. You're a corporal. Obviously you have a career field you're invested in, and it might not be the easiest or the most fanciest, but it's a dignified career field. And in Jamaica we know how them look upon soldier already, right? Enough woman out there for him get. So he could have very well moved on. It's not like tree are growing on him face and none of that. He could have very well moved on, but him stuck on this one woman that's treating him like dog. Was he stuck on abuse? Was he enjoying her abuse that she was giving him? Because I can't understand why the woman tell us, I not wash for you, I not cook for you, I not clean for you. I tell us I have next man already. Rotted, that is the end of it for me. So I'm letting my brothers out there know, when you say I start using abusive language towards you, you see, call you out your name and all these things, especially if you are a man that don't do that to her. If you are the type that don't call a woman out her name, you know all the derogatory names I'm talking about. I don't have to mention them here. If you know, say you are a man where don't call her out her name, you don't disrespect her like that, you walk your little 2 cents and carry, come on. You're trying to build something with her, and she had the type for start argument and disappear, and even though you try quell the argument, she escalate the argument. A lot of the times those are signs that she wants to go about her business. Vybz Kartel sing about it in her song, you know, with the one where him say, then you and me. Go listen to that song, Then You and Me, or is Then Me and You, one of them, where I did the review on the video, and the part where he said when she escalate the argument on purpose, or make up stuff and just start argue about stuff, or bring up old stuff upon top of stuff and start argue about stuff and gone about her business, that is her cue to go do what she wants to do, right? I don't know why people want to live in these kinds of relationship anyway. You know, if you're in a relationship, honestly, like I've said before, sometimes it's not so easy to let go because you're so invested. But practice letting go. Matter of fact, practice running. Sometimes when you run, just get up and just left everything. Just take out your most important prized possessions and just left everything else. Material things can be replaced. Left everything else. Just walk away from it and left them, right? Leave them, let them go abuse somebody else, because not everybody takes abuse the same way. And this is the part I want women and men to listen. Not everybody takes abuse the same way. Not everybody takes disrespect the same way. Not everybody takes ridicule the same way and degrading the same way. I see women making comments talking about, but men cheat on women all the time and them take it. Okay, that is them. that is not this particular individual. You understand? So everybody deal with the thing differently. And you just might be with one of the people them that's willing to chop off your head off of your body when you treat them like this. You won't know until you feel it. So, and by the time you feel it, you won't be feeling anything else after. So a real talk me again, you know. You understand? Man, left the woman them alone, man. Especially when they're showing you signs, because there are signs there. Listen now how she talk to the man. Let me play it back again from the top. Listen this.
Tell me blood clot never them say me in a happy man. Hey? Huh? Huh?
Like dog.
Where you come up here for?
Where you come up here for?
You're talking about love. Can love go anywhere?
Bunga down.
Am I showing you love, sir?
Am I showing you love, sir?
So where you run me down for? Me now cook game, me now wash your, me now give pussy, me now give no way.
She said, am I showing you love, sir? Him said, no. She said, so where you come up here? Me now cook you, me now, boy, me I tell you. Ah? You can't even get a chance to answer. This is not how somebody that loves you talk to you. But the point of the thing is, she had tell him outright say she don't love him. She had tell him outright say she don't want him. And I guess she's been doing other things to tell him that, but he wasn't getting the message clear. So what we're hearing now is her actually just getting to the point. You know how them say, people leave you before they leave you, you know. I say memes that say a woman leaves you emotionally. It's the same thing for a man. People leave their relationships before they leave their relationships. They leave emotionally, they leave spiritually, they leave financially, and then eventually them left physically. That's a fact. So when you see your partner leaving the relationship, if it's one you don't want, you question it, you sit, you talk about it. If you say, this is somebody that me and she can't come to a common ground, I should make up our mind to leave already, then allow them, make them go on physically as well. Alright?
What is it there that you want? Eh? What is the way you want? Huh? Okay. What? What you say? You don't? Never know that he still make the pussy because they don't know the shame.
Wow. She asked him what him want, right? Him say, him want. Me don't tell you that already, you know, me don't tell you what me want, or you me want, me don't tell you say you me want. She said, Jesus Christ, me never know say idiot still make to pussy clot. Pardon my language, people. Who the hell sits around taking that kind of talk from anybody? And the funny thing is, she's the one that's recording, and she's recording from an unseen angle, which tells me he doesn't know that he's being recorded. So I saw some of them women here wicked to the point, you know, brother, where they will record you like this, talking to you like this, and even go show it to the man where them have the new man or the next man. And say, you know, say, boy, I idiot. Let me show you that video here. Look here. I saw me talk to him, and him still did it. You know what I say? So as a boy, we're going coming like saying this, I run up under me and I run me down. Don't leave yourself out there to be treated like this, guys. Because when you finally find out that this is what it is and it's clicking on your brain, you might not be in control of the way you react. You understand? Finish the message.
You have no little shame.
You have no little shame. The man said, she said, you don't have no little shame. And the man said, whole it hurt. Whole it in the dirt. And she laugh. Laugh, you know. Wow.
Fair enough, somebody went away. I forced to see this to pussy cloud. Me tell you, pipe blank, say me don't want him. Tell us me have one other man. He still a run me down.
Me tell you point blank, say me no want you. Me tell you point blank, say me have another man. Or you fear run down somebody when no want you. It gets no clearer than that. Okay? It gets no clearer than that. The only way him reaching a house with she are because she talk this talk and then come back in the same house with the man. People have it out there talk about now she was in there packing up her things to leave. She wasn't packing up no things to leave. Nobody now pack up things to leave at that time of the night. Okay? The man go drink and come back and bust gunshot and go away again and come back again. and she's still dead. She actually took him for a fool, a punk, somebody that wouldn't do her anything because she can't talk to him any kind of way. Ladies, listen. Don't put yourself in a position like that. Anytime you're there with a man where you can punk out and talk to him any kind of way, a lot of you females feel like, yeah, me have the upper hand. I don't know why a woman wants to wear. I am old school. So me like the woman them was still like my grandmother. Cook and dish out my grandfather dinner and carrot, come put it pan him lap, which part him sit down. Every day. Religiously. Them kind of something there. My grandfather no do no house cleaning because she says that is her responsibility. But him do all the work outside the house and around the house. You know what I'm saying? Know your position and play your role. That is the kind of thing that I'm talking about. And then if you're not ready to know your position and play your role, then you're not ready to be in a relationship, because relationship have roles. You can't have the car engine and go on like say it at the steering column. It not gonna work. Every piece in that engine has to play its role. Just like a relationship, everybody have to play their position and their role. You have a set of things you have expect of a man to do, then there's a set of things that is expected of you as the woman to do to make your relationship run smoothly. When you find yourself with a man where you feel like you are wear the pants and you can clown him and talk to him any which kind of way, you should know that even you within yourself, after a while, you're not going to enjoy that relationship anymore. Right? So don't break a brother down, tear him down, and then drag him down into the ground, humiliate him in these kind of ways, and laugh about it and videotape it and them kind of something there. Don't do that. Just leave. Alright? Because you see what the ending can be already. This conversation has gone on long enough. There will be other parts to it. Stay tuned, because I'm sure by weekend somebody else dead again and at the same thing again. It's a trending behavior that's on the upsurge in Jamaica right now among our men. Them a kill off the woman them in their domestic relationships. As she says she want to leave, or him find out says she a cheat, him a done her. Sometime him done her and done himself. Sometime him just done himself. Sometime him just done she and walk go a police station. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. It's SouFLoTV. Did I say anything wrong? I'm out. Peace.